And thanks for joining us. I'm Aaron Luna. You've heard the saying, smoke detectors save lives, but sometimes it takes more than a saying to make a change. KXLY4's Allie Norton working for you tonight with how two local groups teamed up for some door-to-door fire prevention education. She joins us in the studio. And Allie, this is the second year for this?
Aaron, it all started in the Logan neighborhood last year. Since then, the groups have installed over 250 smoke alarms in local homes. Yesterday, they were in Hilliard, one step further to their goal of canvassing every neighborhood.
I'll hit that home and then you'll hit this one and we just kind of swap.
Rebecca Routh means business. She wears this vest with pride because she knows every person she talks with this afternoon is a lot safer tonight.
And we'll also give you something for fire escape plan.
She's one of the many volunteers taking part in the national effort to reduce home fire injuries and fatalities. The American Red Cross and Spokane Fire Department have teamed up to canvass neighborhoods that have a high fire risk to offer free smoke alarms. This trip, volunteers went to about 500 homes and scheduled 20 appointments to install the device.
Ultimately, the goal is to prevent any life from being lost from fire in our community.
Spokane Fire Chief Bobby Williams has seen it firsthand, where having a smoke alarm could have saved lives. Back in February, 2 people died inside this home on East 4th Avenue from smoke inhalation. They were asleep when the fire broke out. Without a smoke detector, they weren't conscious to know that they were breathing in a deadly mix.
We have had tragedies in our community where we've lost lives.
That's why people like Rebecca are choosing to spend their weekend like this, going door to door, making sure their neighbors are safe.
Even if it's just to change out the existing batteries and to check the ones that you do have, just give us a call and we will be more than happy to come out.
Now, even if you didn't get a knock on your door, you can still get a free smoke detector. Just call up either the fire department or Red Cross and schedule an appointment. It's really as easy as that. In the studio tonight, I'm Allie Norton, KXLY4 News.
Good to